Here we will write a program to display sum of even numbers from 1 to n, where value of n is given by the user. So first in comment line we will write, first we will accept value of n from the user. So n equal to int input enter nth term. Then we will define one integer variable I, which is initialized with 1, and one variable for storing the sum, which is initialized with 0. Then we will use while loop. So while I less than or equal to n, we will check value of I is even or not. So if I mod 2 equal to 0, we will add value of I to sum. So sum equal to sum plus I. And outside the if statement, we will increase I. So I equal to I plus 1. And outside the while loop, we will print the sum. So print sum of even numbers. We will print the sum, and we execute this. I will give n term as 5. It will print sum of even number as 6. We can print the even numbers from 1 to n. So first we will print the message even numbers from 1 to, we will print n, and inside the if statement we will print I, and we execute. I will give n term as 5. It will print even numbers from 1 to 5 as 2 and 4, and sum of even number is 6.